Hey guys, this is Spark Fishing. Today is a catch and cook day. I caught a carp a couple days ago in a snowy day, and I decided to do a catch and cook video. I saw a YouTuber eating carp, and I was very inspired to try. I heard a lot of bad tasting stories. Nobody have actually ever tried, so I'm gonna give it a try and see how it is. Stay tuned. Alright, right here I have the frozen carp. I filleted this guy a couple days ago. I'm defrosting it right now. Also, right now there's this is gonna be French fry and onion fries. Right here, looks delicious with the new mandolin. Yeah. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the fire on the medium. And I'm gonna cook the veggie on this onions first. Cook onion first, and then the potatoes, and the carp right here is right here. Yeah, and then the carp. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna prepare the carp. First of all, let me get my tongue out. Right here, this is my tongue, and let the fire reach its hot temperature. Let me see. Yeah, that's a good fire. Just one. Onion goes in. More onions go in. Put more onions. Fried onions. Delicious. I think it goes even better with fish, because I think having the strong onion flavor helps with fish smell. I like mine crunchy, so I overcooked it on purpose. This is not mess up. Yeah, a little bit burnt. Good. Yep. Alright, now my favorite part, the French fry. I'm a big French fry guy, and French fry goes in. All right, let me show you how I'm gonna cook this carp. So, basically, first of all, you have to get rid of the water moisture. So when you cook them, you can actually put the batter nicely that way. Also, when you put this on butter, I'm gonna use butter to add some flavors and make it very soft. If there's moisture, it's gonna pop and make a big mess. So you make sure you dry it with paper towel. And first of all, I'm gonna put some salt. Put salt generously. Put some salt on the meat, and also black pepper. Put some pepper here, and then after you do that, you're gonna grab one and the flour, put it here, and try to put flowers everywhere. Don't mess the part. Yep. Put the flour, and when it's nicely battered like this, just transfer here. Let me do another one here. Put it here, and put the flour. Mix it well so it's nicely battered. transfer it here. Yep, just do it like that for all the meat pieces. You want to make sure it has enough batter on the fish. It's gonna make the fish very crispy. So put more flour on top. Just sprinkle it like this. So make sure you put enough flour in here. I mean, people do a different variation. They sometimes do cornmeal and different stuff, but I like just the regular flour. It's fine for me. And one thing that I need to tell you guys is carp, when I filleted it, it really had a lot of fish smell. But after I filleted it and rinsed it off the slime and put it in the fridge for like a day or so, it really doesn't smell. It smells just like any other fishes in the store. So if you guys are worried about how smelly it is, you probably don't have to worry about it after you fillet. Filleting part is going to be painful. They have a lot of bones, 2 Y bones, but I mean right now it doesn't smell at all. So don't worry about smell part. Alright, so French fries are done. You see how like golden it is? It is delicious. Let me show you. Oh, it's so delicious. Okay, that's my favorite home cooked French fries. These are just delicious, very crunchy. Yeah, pan fried. You can salt it, as however you want. So I'm gonna have this French fry transfer over right here with the onion. Now let it sit there. Yep, and now we're ready for the fish. So I'm basically done. Cooking the French fry and fried onion. So what you want to do is you want to have 2 small pieces of butter and put it right on top, and let it melt. When you melt the butter, you probably want to use the heat. You don't want to overheat first, so you want to turn your fire off and then let it melt. Butter, they can burn very easily, so you don't want to burn them before cooking it. So when the butter is melted, you want to put the fire on again. Yep, and then from then all you have to do is put the fish right on there. First fillet, and the second fillet also going in, and the third fillet all going in. Five minutes, and those are all done. You see how crispy and golden it turned into a golden color. The thicker piece took a little longer, but thinner pieces was done in about 5 minutes. So that's how long you should cook for it. And when it turns brown, and if it's soft and flaky, that means it's done. Yep, so all the foods are done. I got this French fry that are crunchy, really crunchy. Fried onions, and finally the carp is done. Looks pretty good. Doesn't smell. Actually, I'm excited for the French fry. They're very crunchy and tasty. But let me try the carp. I'll try with the smaller piece. Not sure. Doesn't really taste like anything. This piece. It actually tastes really good. does it taste like? It's hard to describe what it tastes like, but wow, it's really good. The carp meats are very firm, so it's not all like soft. This part, the red part, this part is kind of red. This part kind of tastes like salmon. Yeah, really good. Put some onion. A lot better than what people say. Some people say it tastes like mud. Doesn't taste like mud at all. French fries good. Oh yeah, so they do have a lot of bones. I was making it boneless before, but realized it was too difficult because it was a small carp, so I decided not to making it boneless. But I mean, these bones are big enough bones. They're 2 wide bones on carp fillet. Yeah, not bad. I enjoyed the carp. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch and cook carp. And if you guys want to see more this kind of video, please comment below and like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.